It's going to be another 20, 30 seconds. You're okay.
And we can see him under tow now coming through the chicane area. As they try to get that vehicle clear before we get...
Famous Retrieval's loving it.
1495 through 7. Thanks. Relay Retrieval 5, I am off course with this vehicle. Okay, Retrieval 5 is off course with, I think it's 1497.
There you go, so we know it works.
Maybe we'll get him back to the pits or what?
Lil Bite said that she followed it yesterday and she does get emails about the channel, so that works. Just in case you forget, there's an off-road race going on.
How could you forget?
Well, you know. Might get tied up watching football or something.
The foosball. You be watching foosball?
Right here where we're at, Baja Run, right here on the infield's the best place to spectate. You see the most action right here.